Hi, I'm Ian. Sometimes you might need to disassemble a cooler for a deeper cleaning or replacement of parts. I want to show you how to disassemble the latch, the lid fix, the uni-mount key, and the strap mount. I'm going to start by removing the lid. The lid fixes, you might want to use a key to pull out the pins. When the lid fixes are removed, you can remove the seal. This allows you to clean both the seal and underneath the seal quite easily. Now remove the uni-mount keys. The uni-mount keys can also be disassembled. Push the little pin through the rubber part. You might want to use the pin from the lid fix to do that. And then the uni-mount key comes apart. The strap mount has two plastic parts that are identical. You can replace them like this. Reattach the seal. And then you need to reattach the lid fixes. Like that. So now the tub is reassembled. To disassemble the latches on the lid, move the latch up to 45-degree angle. Use a key and push down on the plastic part and push it towards the center. The latch comes apart, and then you can push the plastic part in the other direction, and then you can disassemble what we call the pin fix and the pin, like so. Reassemble. Insert the latch at a 45-degree angle and push the plastic part back into place. Reattach the lid to the cooler. That's how you disassemble and reassemble the cooler.